Three.
Hello. Today we go make Egyptian rice. Okay, let me I show you what you need. This is one normal cup normal rice. This is in Egypt, say Sharia. In Netherlands, what does it say?
Vermicelli.
Vermicelli. Okay, if you in Netherlands, this is I think the same with English, yeah. And also you need oil, you need butter, you need two Maggi, chicken, beef, whatever you like, and a little bit salt, the salt like you need, yeah. Okay, first thing we go wash the rice. Very fast like that. Okay. And after I wash it, I take all the water out, and after that we bake. After I wash the rice like that, I do here a little bit oil, like 3-4 spoon. And after that, do this one and start turning this in fire till this go goldy. Okay, I stop. Okay, after this go like the same this color, we start take the rice inside like that. Do like that. Till you feel the rice not to have water anymore, yeah? And you also cook water. Bring the same glass for the rice. We do the Maggi in it. It's enough. Make it like that. Not like to do Maggi, not do Maggi. If you not found the Sharia, don't do anything. It's okay. can make it only with rice, yeah? But you need to make it like this. Okay, now this totally dry, like you see. Okay, now also the water here cook. You can do this like that. One. Two. The same you did for the rice and بالشعرية. We take everything down, not leave anything hang in a pan. Can be we do a little bit water like that. And you leave it just go cook and cook like that till you can see the rice, yeah, the water go a little bit down. Leave it and not touch it. Leave it like that. You see, if you look nice, you feel this is a start to have like a little bit holes. This is enough. You take it and two small fire, and you cover it and not open only after 10 minutes, in 10 till 15. Okay, we back after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I open. This is now already ready. You can take it. You can take it out in the fire and leave it for also 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and after that you can do it in the blade. Now we finish everything, and now, like the Egyptian people say, بالهنا والشفا. Bon appétit. Bye bye.